Kalrao School, Halol. Subject Computer, Standard 12, Lesson number 2, Cascading Style Sheet and JavaScript. Cascading Style Sheet or CSS allows you to specify styles for the visual elements of the website. This details of how to display the document is known as style. HTML used to describe the information content of the document and not the style. CSS describes the style of the elements in the document. Using CSS, we can control the font types, font and element colors, page spaces, margins and elements position in our website. The syntax of CSS. The syntax of CSS consists of special symbols known as rules. A CSS rules has two main parts, a selector and one or more declaration. The selector is the HTML element on which you want to apply the style. Declaration consists of a property associated with the HTML elements used in selector and its corresponding value. The general syntax of CSS is defined as selector property value. Follow the steps to given the CSS. In the composition toolbar, select the Cascade CSS button. Select the option Style applied to all the elements of the type from the dialog box. Select heading 1 or more from the drop-down list. Click on Create Style Rules button. Select font, background, border, etc. and click OK button. Select H1 to apply effects and type the heading. Advantage of CSS. CSS allows us to set the format of the website without changing the underlying structure. So we can make changes to the website without the fear of accidentally changing the data. The web designer's job made easier as to change the style of an element. He only needs to make modification in the CSS file. We add a less code because a style applied for all the elements only once. Using CSS makes website designing quick and efficient. Disadvantage of CSS. The CSS compatibility varies with different browsers. This means that some of the style sheet features are not supported by the browsers and the style cannot be displayed as per the user's design. But nowadays, the latest browser versions are more standard, compliant and the compatibility issues has reduced.